Hello. Today we're going to be working on this is lesson 26 right here. And it's the fluency in practice for lesson 26, which is measurement, right? Measuring length. So go ahead and write your name at the top. See where it says Name? That is name. Write your name here. I'm going to write Macaulay because that's my name, but you write your name. Okay, so the standard we're working on is Um, it's 1 MD8.2, and 1 stands for first grade, and MD stands for measurement and data, and number 2, part A. And basically, what this standard says here is that we're going to measure, but not using a ruler. We're going to measure using units that are smaller than the object we're measuring, right? We're measuring a pencil here, smaller than the pencil, these units. And these units have to be laid side by side from the beginning to the end, right? From the beginning of the object to the end of the object, side by side with no spaces in between. So if we look at this, it says here, circle the pencil that is measured correctly. So which one of these two do you think is measured correctly? Yeah, it's this one because we start at the beginning and we have units all the way close together until the end. We stop at the end and there's no spaces in between. This one, we start at the beginning, but look, there's a space in between here. There's a space in between, and the units are not the same. This one is small and this one is big. Then this one is lying this way and this one's regular. This one and this one and this one are the same size and this one is the same size. But this one is a different size and this one is a different size. And then there's space in between. So this one is not measured correctly. This one is. They're all the same size. All these units are the same size and there's no spaces in between, and they start from the beginning side by side till the end. So we're going to circle this one. Okay, go ahead and circle that one. Okay, this one says, how long is the bat? So you see the bat starts being measured from here and stops right here. We don't count this one because the bat stops here. We can't keep counting after the bat stops. So go ahead and count how many units this is. From here all the way to here. And don't count this one. Count how many units that is. Okay, so write that number here. It says the bat is about blank squares long. So you have to count the squares from here all the way to here and write that number right there. Okay, we ready to go to the next one? That says, how long is the shoe? And your answer is, the shoe is about blank paper clips long. So here are the paper clips, and we got to count them to see how many paper clips it takes for the length of this shoe. So I counted 5. So that's what you write here, 5. I should check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So right here should say 11. Okay. So on this one, you circle this one because this one is not measured correctly. This one, you write the bat is about 11 squares long because it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one you don't count because the bat already stopped. So 11 squares long. This one, the shoe is about 5 paper clips long because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It starts here, stops right here. So we don't need to count more. Okay? So what were we learning today? Yeah, we're learning to measure length. Length means how long it is. We're learning to measure length of an object, of a thing, but not using a ruler, right? Using other objects. Like in this case, little blocks. In this case, little squares. In this case, paper clips, but not a ruler. Okay, good job.